Hello, Tanya Bruce here from VetStaff. I'm coming to you live from sunny Bombay in New Zealand. Might be a little bit of a lie. It's been raining non-stop for 2 weeks. Roll on summer. We have another job opportunity with one of our amazing clients in the beautiful Bay of Plenty region. They're looking for a passionate, experienced companion animal vet with at least 5 years of hands-on experience. Remuneration is from 120K per annum. Now, you heard me say at least 5 years experience. However, if you're listening to me right now and thinking this sounds like you, but graduated after 2020, then let's still have a chat, because you and I both know that not all vets are created equal. This job is full-time. So Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. There are no after hours, no on-call, or weekend work. Our clients are also very open to discussing a full-day week with you if that's what you would prefer, because your well-being is so very important to them. Your job requires you to do surgery and consults. On that note, consults are 15 minutes for vaccinations, and every other consult is 20 minutes. Another great plus. Now, if you're an overseas candidate, our client provides relocation packages, which I invite you to contact me to discuss a little bit further. A client offers wonderful CPD opportunities, 2% of your gross salary, and are fully supportive of any courses that you would like to pursue. They provide health insurance, life insurance, income protection insurance. Amazing. So if you're interested in this role, in a location where you can experience the incredible lifestyle surrounded by 17 lakes, where you get to fish, water ski, and swim, an hour away from the beach or 2.5 hours away from the snow, then please contact me today. My contact details will appear after this video, and I'm super excited to chat with you.